All right, I'm going to do a video here on 3 different flashlights, and figured I'd just do them as 3 together, little comparison, little review on them, just all 3 at once instead of individual videos. Just for you to, if you're looking for a good flashlight, all of these are good choices. It just depends on, what your needs are, what your wants are. And, well, here we go. First of all, we have the GearLight flashlight. This is a 1500 watt, or excuse me, 1500 lumens at the max flashlight. And it has strobe, dim, it's just got 3 features. It's got bright, but it also has where you can adjust it to where you can focus the beam, or you can make it a wide beam. So that's very cool. Very cool. Button in the back. Fairly large compared to the other ones, but it's a solid flashlight, well built, well constructed. This is the Coast. This is a 2100 max Lumen flashlight. It's just got 3 settings, but it also has the focus on it too as well. Has this little pull out, and then you can twist it and lock it where it stays one or the other focus, things like that. So it also has this unscrew cap right here where you can recharge the battery in it. O-rings, all of them have O-rings, so they're all fairly water resistant. This one right here takes 6 AA batteries right here. These 2 are rechargeable batteries. I like that about them. Anyway, this is the LA Police Gear. This is a 3600 lumen flashlight. What I like about this too, though, is this has a in button also. This does not. This has it right here. 3600 lumens though. It's got multiple settings. It's fairly bright. And then it's got a strobe on it as well. You just hold the button down and turn it off. Very nice flashlight. Very nice. Very bright. Rechargeable as well. Has a rechargeable port right here. Now I've been using these. I've been going for walks at night, and I take these with me, and I've kind of tested each one of these, and they're all really good, all really bright. 3600 lumens versus 2100 lumens versus 1500 lumens. Some are brighter than the others, but with the focusing of the beam, really kind of throws it out there really nice. This one does not have that. However, it lights up. It's not really like extremely wide, view. It is, but it isn't. It's kind of an in-between, so it's got some throw, but it has some wide at the same time. These you can really focus on focus to a finer beam if you want to pinpoint like certain areas, things like that. But they also get wide and things like that. So very cool. All of them have good features. I prefer the in buttons that this one doesn't have. At night, this one right here is very hard to find because it's very smooth through the rest. Kind of have to look at it to actually, see where the button is. Because if you're at night, it's hard to tell where the button is. It's so flat in there. But it's a nice button, and I wish it had an end cap. That would be great as an end cap. That would improve this light tremendously. But they are all well built. This is very well built, as well as this Coast light. And they all come with, in the package, you know, these two with their recharging cords and all that stuff, and lanyards and things like that. This one was already on there, but I haven't put it on. But they all come with that. And you know, like I say, I mean, you can never have too many flashlights. I like flashlights. I'll take 100 of them. But I do prefer that on these two, if they are the rechargeable batteries, they're those lithium rechargeable batteries, pretty good size ones. And I like that because they just last longer, and it's just more, they're just more powerful. And the battery time is a lot longer than the double A's. And this one takes 6, and it's not a rechargeable battery. But whatever your, you know, preferred method is, each one would do you good. I'll put a link to each of these in the description box, and you can go see all the specifications, all that, and where to get them and all that stuff. So very cool lights. We're going to do some night testing, and we'll show you that. And I can tell you right now, my camera, it's an iPhone. That's what I use, and it does not do justice to night lighting. It's always a lot better than what it looks like on camera. It still comes out pretty good, but not near as what it looks like to your own eye. Anyway, let's get to that. Street view, coast, wide angle. Lower setting. It's the GearLight. Here's the Coast 2100. LA police gear. Car down there. Let's try to get this done before they come this way. All right, the first light that we're going to do here at night is this is the 1500. This is the 1500 Lumen. This is the GearLight right here. This is on focus, basically. We can widen it out. It's got a pretty good wide beam to it. And then you can focus it. All right, here's the Coast. This is 2100 lumens. We'll go through the settings. It's low. There's the turbo. But then we can focus that beam. There it is, wide. There it is, focused. wide, focused. All right, then we have the LA Police Gear 3600. Let's go through the settings on it here. 3600 lumens, that's the brightest, which would be that. It's the lowest setting. There would be the brightest. It's also got a strobe. This does not have a focus on it though, so it's wide open like this all the time. GearLight. It also has a strobe feature as well. Coast 2100 lumens. That is the focused. There's more of the wide angle. LAPG Gear 3600 lumens. Good low settings for low light use. There you go. I'll put a link to each one down below. You can look at all the specifications of each one and see what one you think might work best for you. They're all pretty good. They all have different features. It just depends on what you're looking for. Keep it heavy.